Hi, chat. Oh god, I just realized I haven't done a math stream in like so long. Do people know that I do this? Do the people still know that I do this? Sometimes? Well, I'm pretty sure a lot of the people are going to be glad that I'm never doing it again. For a while. Yeah, I just realized I'm pretty sure a lot of my audience is going to be celebrating that I'm never streaming math again. But, for context, everyone. Basically, before, like, my big maths exams, I just do a freaking past paper on stream because it's funny as hell. I think I did it for P2, PM Maths 2, PM Maths 3, PM Maths 4. And I'm gonna be doing our last one for the Peer 2. So I've got the latest for the Peer 2 past paper here. Where is it? Here. Oh, hang on. Let's actually get off this question. I was just, like, making sure that everything fit, properly. But, yeah. So this is our last ever math stream. Ooh. Well, technically I have one more exam after this, but like Stats 3 is such a boring paper. Like, well, it's not boring, but it's such a repetitive paper. I don't think it's fun to stream, in my opinion. So I'm not gonna be streaming it. So I'm only gonna be streaming FP2. So yeah, we're gonna be doing math on stream again, because I'm weird. And also, personally, I think it's funny as hell. Right. So I first of all need to remember how to use this thing, because I've not used PDF gear since like last math stream, which I don't even know when that was. Okay. Yeah, this is probably fine. Alright, chat. Nobody's gonna be understanding what I do at all today. Like, I feel like, if I look at the analytics, average math stream viewership is just gonna go down over time as the math gets more complex, and like less people even know what I'm yapping about. Because now we're on to the hardest math known to all of A-level student kind. We're gonna ignore F3. F3 does not exist, and because I'm very scared of it, so I'm going to pretend it does not exist. This is the hardest math known to A-level student kind. Yeah, let's just get on with it. Honestly, oh dear lord, integrating factor for this differential equation is given by cos cubed. Okay. Huh. -3 tan. Okay, well, fine. It's gonna go to learn sec cubed. Okay. Yeah, IF. God, I freaking hate using this thing. You can't do dots. I can't do dots. It's PMO. So the integrating factor is gonna be -3 tan. Why does this zoom so slowly? Jesus. Okay, I need to get used to this. -3... Nope. E to the integral of -3 tan x dx. You know, I'm 4 streams of this, and I never bothered to like figure out how I should do this with a proper pen. No, we're just gonna like do it the really hard way for absolutely no reason. So this is gonna go to, well, it goes to ln sec x, so it's gonna go to e to the power of -3 ln sec x. Which is actually just gonna be sec x to the power of -3. Which is just cos cubed x. Oh, it seems so slow. Oh, yeah, I forgot it does that. Thus, IF is... Oh my god. Bro. Cos cube x. Alright, part B. Determine particular solution of the integral equation. Oh, fun. Okay, so... multiply everything by... Okay. Zoom in again. Cos cube x dy dx. I forgot how painful it was to have to write like this. -3 tan x cos squared x y is equal to... Oh, that's too long. I think it was sec squared x, so we're just gonna get to cos x, yeah. We're just gonna get to cos x. So yeah, this is just a really easy integration. I'm just gonna go straight to cos cubed x y. Let's write it like that actually. Equals sin x plus c. Alright, so we're gonna get y equals, okay, yeah, sure, we can just write that out later. 1y equals 4 and x equals pi over 4, find the particular solution. Yeah, easy enough. Honestly, I'm not even gonna bother rearranging before I do this. So, y equals 4, yeah? Okay, y equals 4. 4 cos pi over 4 cubed equals sine pi over 4 plus c. Both of these are going to be root 2 over 2, so that's going to go out to be 2 root 2 over 8 equals to root 2 over 2 plus c. Obviously that's just going to cancel out with that. So we're going to get root 2 over 2 equals c. Which means that we're going to get to y cos cubed x is equal to sine x plus root 2 over 2. Now all we have to do is take the cos over to the other side, I think. Let me look at the form. Yeah, y equals f of x. So we can just bring this over to the left, to the right side, sorry, and get to tan x cos x, nope. Tan x sec squared x, plus root 2 over 2 sec cubed x. Can I make this any thinner? Oh, I can. Why have I never done that? Alright. When did I start at 37? I think that's a good pace for first question. 4 minutes, especially with this shit-ass writing. Oh, shoot, I missed second question. Use algebra to determine the point of intersection of that. Okay, easy. So, part A. 2x over x squared plus 1. Equal to 1 plus... Okay. 1 over x plus 4. Good song. Hi, Afu, thanks. So I can just 2x squared plus 8x is equal to x squared plus 1. Move this all over to this side, so it's going to be x squared plus 8x minus 1 equals 0. Dear Lord, what? Look at b squared minus 1. Oh, yeah, congrats on the first. Hang on, let me for you. This is the most quadratic result looking solve I've ever seen. Yeah, no, we... On God, yes, we are not doing this by recognition. Let me just get your first count up for you. There you go. Okay. Yeah, where's my calc? Here it is. Chat, for those of you who don't know, I'm using slang. Calc is actually short for calculator. Oh, Jesus, okay. So... Oh yeah, the exam board wants me to write out the proper quadratic formula, so I'm just going to do this quickly. 8 squared minus 4 minus 1 all over 2, which gets us to negative 4 plus or minus root 17. So yeah, that's going to be the x-coordinates of the points of intersection of those two. So now I need to determine the values of which, thank God, it's not equal to. Part B, I'm just gonna sketch these out quickly. Dear Lord, how do I sketch that one? Okay, so point of... No, asymptote at there. 2x over x. Well, the other one's easy enough. Minus 4. So here it's gonna look like... No, it's gonna look like... No, it's gonna look like this. Wait, what the hell would... Yeah, it is. Okay. Hi, Pyrexy. Welcome in. You're my favorite math streamer that I've ever seen. Have you ever seen any other math streamers? can't I just... No, I can't just break that up. Okay. Ah! I haven't drawn a reciprocal with x squared in the denominator for too long. Oh, how do I do this again? 2x. I can just plot points. I'm just gonna plot points. X equals 0 puts us at here. So passes through origin. X equals -1 is not gonna work. X equals -2. So that's gonna be -4 over 5. So that's gonna be -4 over 5, which gets us to here. So I think, hang on, let me just take this to limit quickly. 2 aunts over aunts squared plus 1. Okay. Oh, asymptote y equals 0. No, but you're still my favorite, thank you! Yeah, it's just looking like this. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is just a more steep version of this, reciprocal. Okay. So, which means that with that, we're gonna get a... So, this one greater, which means that... I think that means that... Okay, no, this music is not helping. Let me turn this down quickly. Okay. Brain is working. Hang on. Bum 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 bum. So if -2 gives me that, so that means 1 over 2. Oh yeah, no. Okay, that's within interval, so I think it is just -4 minus root 17, like this. I think. Should I check this? Probably. Am I going to bother to? I should. Goddamn, bro. I can just substitute values. What am I doing? Sub-0, sub-0. This one's greater. Okay. Done. Next, part C. Now, I'm actually just gonna do this via algebra, because I'm not... Can I? I'm not gonna bother to, like, check. I think just doing it by algebra would be faster, because both of the denominators are always positive, which means we can actually multiply them up without dealing with any funny business. Because this always greater than 0, this always greater than 0. And my favorite zoom in general, thank you, Afu. We are dating. This... Okay, Afu, this means something to me. So for x greater than -4, we are gonna get this. And for x less than -4, we are going to get 2... -2x squared minus 8x. My stream playlist is not shuffled. There we go. Okay. I retract my statement. Why do I draw my X like this? It's just that, like, I'm drawing with a mouse, so it's really weird, and also, yeah, it's just really weird. I can't really do much about this. Okay, no, this is, I think it's just the same thing. I think it's just the same thing, because the value I'm getting is outside range. 2 diagonal lines? No, but the issue is, with this, it looks too similar to the multiplication symbol. So, this is how literally every, like, mathematician in algebra draws X. Like, if you look at this, it looks too similar to multiplication. So, we do it with the inverse lines. -4 plus... I swear that's normal! Like, I feel like literally the multiplication symbol is a dot pensive. Okay, we are obviously under different education systems, or just, like, do math differently. Because I've always had the multiplication symbol being this. Actually, I know like some people do use the dot, but like I genuinely don't know like who or why, because it just. That's not even right. It's 42. Yeah, I think it's just the same. Given the fact that it's state, I'm willing to say it's the same. And it's a 2 marker. I can't be wasting too much time on this. Okay, determine the value of dy dx at... Oh, given that. Determine the value of the... yeah, okay, so I need to... 2x d squared y dx squared is equal to 6xy minus y dy dx. And now we just multiply this out to isolate d squared y dx squared is equal to 3y minus x to the power of minus 1 y dy. That's gonna be hell to different. Hang on a second. Oh, that's gonna be hell to differentiate. Wow. How many marks is this? Okay, yeah, fair enough. Bro. Sunyon. Okay. You know what I can do? I can just pull y out of this. I'm gonna pull y out of this. And hopefully that'll make it easier. D squared y dx squared is equal to y3 minus 1 over x dy dx. So using product rule, u equals y, u dash equals dy dx. V equals 3 minus 1 over x dy dx. V dash is gonna be, oh boy, positive, yeah, positive x to the power of minus 2 dy dx. And then this goes to d squared y dx squared. Yeah, that's just minus x to the power of minus 1 dy dx. D squared y dx squared. I think. Let me just do that in my head again. Yeah, because that's minus x to the power of minus 1, so that's going to bring the minus down. Take it to a minus 2, and keep that same. This keeps this the same. Yep, okay, that is correct, product rule. So that's going to take us to d cubed y dx cubed is equal to y over x squared dy dx minus y over x d squared y dx plus 3 dy dx minus 1 over x dy dx all squared. Alright, now we need to find d cubed y dx cubed at x equals 2, but first we need to get d squared y dx squared at x equals 2. So, oh wait, this is going to be a Taylor question. At x equals 2, d squared y dx equal to, what's y? 1 over 2... 3 minus 1 over 2, what's dy dx? 3. Okay, so that's going to bring us to... Oh, I'm just going to use my calc. 0.53 minus 0.53, 0.75. So, d cubed dx cubed is equal to what is it? 1 over 2 all over 2 squared multiplied by... Oh, that's 3. Minus 1 over 2 all over 2, 3 over 4. Should have just written that as 1 over 4, so 3 over 16. Plus 3, 3, minus 1 over 2, 3 squared. So that's going to be 1 over 8 times 3 minus 3 over 16. Plus 9 minus 4.5. Which takes us to 75 over 16. Okay. Hence determine about x equals 2 in form. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Maclaurin question. Let me get my formula book. So this is written as y equals y0 plus x minus 2. Oh no, it's not y0, it's y2. How do I turn off the eraser? Help. 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 Okay. y2 dy dx 2 plus x minus 2 squared over 2 with d squared y dx 2 plus x minus 2. Why is it coming out like that? Like, don't get me wrong. You can come out however you like, but like... this sounds wrong. D cubed y over dx squared 2. Right. Y equals 2... what was it? 1 over 2? I think it's 1 over 2. Oh my god. I think the thing is, it's just not picking up, like the refresh rate on where it's picking up my mouse is just dropping for some reason at some points, and it's pissing me off. Plus 3x minus 2. Yeah, okay. Thanks, man. Thanks, I appreciate it. What's d squared y dx? 3 over 4 multiplied by 8, that's 3 over 8. Plus 75, I can take 3 out of that at least. So 25 over 32. X minus 3. No, well, hang on. X minus 2 cubed. Dot, dot. Oh my god, let me draw freaking dots. Let me draw dots, bro. Okay, there we go. That's our mandatory Maclaurin question now. God, I hate... Look, I don't hate them, they're just boring. Oh, great, partial fractions. And... okay, I just realized doing freaking series is gonna suck on mouse writing. R plus 4... is equal to... Ain't no way you're doing FP2. Yeah, no, I don't know. Personally, I find it funny to do my maths papers before I take them the next day. So I'm doing January 25 right now. Because I couldn't find June 25. How far are we in now? 23 minutes in. I forgot how to... I forgot to check how many questions this paper was. What song is this? Oh, it is Rapid Races. That's what I thought. Let me just go to page 1 quickly. This is 8 question paper. Okay. Then we're on decent pace. Setting R, let's set R is equals 0 first. 4 is equal to C, so C is equal to 2. Set R equals -1. Good enough. 3 is equal to, that eliminates you. Negative B1, so B equals -3, which means A equals 1, but we'll test it anyways. R equals -2. 2 equals... Hang on a second. Minus A? That's not right. -1? So R equals 0, which takes us to R equals 2C. Oh, it's a -2A times -1. Yeah, so A equals 1. Yeah, okay. So let's break the proper partial fractions down. Therefore, I should probably just do the triple dot. R plus 4 over R plus 1, R plus 2 is same as... which order do I want to do this in? 2 over R minus 3 over R plus 1 plus 1 over R plus 2. Okay. Part B, no scaling. Okay. R equals 1. Hang on. I actually don't know how to do this. No. Okay, no, I'm not gonna bother trying to copy it down from there. R plus 4 all over R. R plus 1, R plus 2 is the same as N R equals 1 2 over R minus 3 over R plus 1 plus 1 over R plus 2. Okay, here comes the boring part. 2 minus 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 minus... This is probably just gonna be 1, isn't it? Yeah. Plus 1 over 4. Plus 2 over 3. Minus 3 over 4. This way, okay. And then plus 1 over 5. So cut this way. Do this so the examiner's happy. Three more lines, plus 1 over n minus 2, minus 3 over n minus 1, plus, hang on, that's 2. 1 over n plus 2 over n minus 1 minus 3 over n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus 2 over n minus 3 over n plus 1 plus 1 over n plus 2. Here r equals n minus 2, r equals n minus 1, r is equal to n. Okay. Ooh. Cut like this, cut like that, and cut that. So we're gonna get 3 over 2. Plus 1 over n plus 2. Minus 2 over n plus 1. Oh, Lord. Series are just, like, honestly, in my opinion, probably one of the most boring topics in this whole module. It feels like such a nothing burger. You do the same thing every goddamn time. Like, the only time I find series fun is when it's only, like, 2 split fractions. Because a lot of time I like to do the partial fractions mentally for the fun of it. And just do it by, like, looking rather than properly doing all of the math. Because that's objectively more fun. It's, like, more puzzling, you know? But I just am not good enough to do that with 3 factors reasonably, so... yeah. It just sucks. Is that right form? Yeah, it is. We're gonna get to... okay. Which takes us to 3n squared. Plus n plus 2n. Plus 9n plus 6. Plus 2n plus 2 minus 4n minus 8. Yeah, that makes sense because all of our non-multiples of x are gonna have to cancel out for us to be able to factorize x out. Oh, sorry, n, not x. Equals 3n squared. Okay, I'm just gonna skip that. 3n plus 7. I'm not writing... like, if this was on, like, paper or something, I would be happy to write it out, but because I have to do this with a fuck-ass mouse... yeah, no thanks. Is that as required? Yep, that is. Okay. I'd also normally write, like, P equals Q equals out, but... again, I'm not doing this on a mouse! Oh god, okay. This is polar. Oh, that is origin. Okay. Parallel to the initial line using the identity. Determine the exact value of... okay. Okay. So, at point P dy d theta equals 0. And y equals r sine x. Oh, sorry, r sine theta. So r sine theta is equal to... okay. Let's first do r equals root 3 plus 1 minus cos theta over sine theta. So that means that y is equal to root 3 sine theta plus 1 minus cos. So dy d theta is going to be root 3 cos theta minus, plus sine theta. And at p, at p, dy d theta equals 0. So, oh, that's gonna be fun. I have to figure out this. Oh wait, no, I can just do it by tan. Okay, tan theta equals negative root 3. Because I bring that over to this side, divide both sides by cos. So, inverse tan, negative root 3. This is in quadrant 2, right? Okay, it is in quadrant 2. Plus pi, 2 pi over 3. Theta equals 2 pi over 3. Boy. So, r equals root 3 plus tan pi over 3, which is just going to be equal to 2 root 3. Integration next, isn't it? I feel like it will be. So p. Oh wait, we just needed to find theta. Okay, never mind. I didn't need to do all that. Okay, the region R shaded, bound by the initial uncurve on OP, where O is the pole. Oh, that's the easiest integration question I've ever seen. We don't even need to do any funny business with the freaking like extra shapes. We just have squared. Obviously, it is tan theta over 2, which is wacky, but that's not the worst thing in the world. Oh wait, that's gonna suck. Okay. Part B. What is it? R is equal to 1 over 2 integral 0 to pi over 3 plus tan theta over 2 squared d theta. Right, how do we want to approach tackling tan theta over 2? Tan squared theta over 2, sorry. Because I think we can probably, like, reasonably try and break it down using double angle formula? No, I don't think we can, actually. Could do double angle formula. That's a reasonable approach. Or we could just try using the trig identity now, but that would be worse, in my opinion. I think we tackle this using double angle formula. So, we're gonna get 1 over 2 integral pi over 2 pi over 3, 0, 9 plus 6 tan theta over 2. Great, we're gonna have to deal with lunsec. Plus sine squared theta over 2 over cos squared theta over 2 d theta. Is this the intended solution? Let's think. Because that's gonna be hell. I mean, can we cancel out the cos 2 theta somehow? Oh, sorry, it's gonna be just cos theta. Oh wait, it's just gonna be cos theta. Let's actually just do this first. Cos theta is equal to cos squared theta minus sine squared theta over 2. 2 cos squared theta is equal to cos theta plus 1. Okay. Let's split this off, I think, just so we can work on left side, like this half first two. Oh no, then I don't have to deal with the lun sec. Wait, is that just 6 lun sec? I think it might just be 6 lun sec. Is the integration of tan is lun sec? But that's multiplied by 6. I think we can just do that by 6 lun sec. No, because it's sec theta over 2. Which will bring out a k of... Yeah, so we need to do the 1 over k, I think. Pi over 3, 9... Oh, no, hang on. Yeah, let's do this side first. 9 theta plus... I think it's 12 lun sec. Theta over 2. Pi over 3, 0. Plus 1 over 2 integral of... Okay, so it's gonna be... I mean, both top and bottom are gonna have 1 over 2. So we can actually just ignore that, and then we can have... just... 1 minus cos theta over cos theta plus 1. I think. Yeah. 1 minus cos theta over cos theta plus 1. D theta. Can we break that out somehow? No, I don't think we can. Because if we add 2... That's gonna be fucking rough. How do I deal with this? Because I feel like it's meant to be partial fractions. If I multiply by cos theta minus 1, that can take me to... Yeah, if I multiply both sides by cos theta minus 1, that's going to take me to cos squared theta minus 1 in the bottom, and cos squared... Negative cos squared theta... minus 1. Theta minus 1. Cos theta minus 1. Can we... Hang on. 1 minus cos theta minus 1 gets me to negative cos squared theta plus 1. Meanwhile, on bottom side, it's gonna be cos squared theta minus 1. Oh, yes! Then that can just go to 1 on it. I feel like that can just go to 1. That'd be minus 1. Hang on, there's no way I can just make that minus 1. That does not feel right. Because, hang on, if I square this... Right. Sine squared theta. That's going to be 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos squared theta all over sine squared theta, which is going to be taken to 1 minus cos squared theta. Is that trig subs I see? And IGCSE? This is actually A-level FP2. Yeah, because it's 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos squared theta all over sine squared theta, which can then take to 1 minus cos squared theta. Which I can then take to 1 minus... Yeah, I can like split into 2 fractions and get 1 minus 2 cos 2 cos theta all over 1 minus cos squared theta, which is still a really big problem. I don't know how I'm going to deal with that. But then this also just feels wrong to me, is the issue. This doesn't look right. Because multiplying both sides by... Like, I can't. I definitely theoretically could. Plus cos... Oh wait, no, it's gonna be plus 2 cos theta. I didn't account for plus 2 cos theta. That's... I'm a break. Okay. There's gonna be a plus 2 cos theta. I did not realize this. Wait, but that's Lun. I can make Lun cos squared theta. I can make Lun cos squared theta. I can partial decompose it. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Oh yeah. Because 2 cos squared, 2 cos theta over cos squared theta plus 1. I can just turn that into a Lun. Yeah, no. I did not see the Lun there for a second. That is good. That's 3 pi plus 12 ln sec pi over 6 minus 12 ln sec. I mean, sec 0 is just gonna be 1 and ln 1 is 0, so I can just eliminate that right now. Seems like I still got it. Yay, good for you. Let me just... Oh my god. I freaking hate this so much. Why? You know, maybe just like continuing to use the same software that I used the first time we did a math stream was just not the call. Oh my god, it's frozen. Hang on, I just realized we're like nearly, we're 45 minutes into this now, and we're still on question, I think this is question 4. Yo, can I blame my software? Can I blame my software? What is this bum-ass bullshit? Oh my god, bro. Okay, cool. That's cool. I'm using PDF gear, like, okay, the first time I did a math stream, I was just like, okay, free PDF editor, and then I just took the first one I saw. And I'm starting to realize maybe I should have gotten something new since then. But I don't know. This is just gonna go to the integral of 1 minus 2 cos theta over cos squared theta minus 1. Oh no, it's plus 1. D theta. Yeah, because by adding 2 cos theta here and then adding a minus 2 cos theta over cos theta plus... Hang on! No, this doesn't work. Hang on. I need to do the multiplication first. Multiplication first. Oh god, it's gonna take 5 years to erase this! No! Oh, chat, I'm going to the toilet. Let's see if it's done by the time I'm back. Okay, I'm back. What do you do at A-level? Okay, so this is A-level further peer 2, which involves, it's inequalities involving reciprocals, it's series, which is like the sigma sums, using method of differences, it's, complex numbers, involving the Moivre, complex transformations. What's chapter 5 again? Oh yeah, first order and second order differential equations, and some polar coordinate stuff. What's chapter 7? I low-key forgot what chapter 7 was. Okay. Yeah, so I multiply both sides by cos theta minus 1. Get to negative cos squared theta plus 1 plus 2 cos squared theta plus 2 cos theta over cos squared theta minus 1 d theta. Yeah, it's really fun. Hang on, I'll show you what a question of series looks like. Oh, I just opened Steam by accident. Okay, brilliant. Yeah, it's just this. Sometimes they make you also find, like, specific values, but yeah. Yeah. After this, I have the FP2 exams tomorrow. And I only have 2 more exams left before I graduate, being FP2 and Stats 3. But Stats, personally, in my opinion, is really, like, repetitive in its questions, so I just don't think it would be fun to stream. So that's why I'm not streaming Stats. So this is going to be the last one, since I'm going to go study Comsci at uni, which might have maths. It probably will have maths, but I'm just going to call it the last math stream anyway, because I don't really know if I'm going to stream maths there. Is that Creeper method I see? We were taught it as method of differences. I don't know if it's called something different. Yeah, I'm going to major Comsci. Hang on, I have a calculator. I can just make sure this is correct quickly. Six tan theta over 2 between 0 and pi over 3. Previous method is just partial decomposition of fractions. Yeah, that sounds about right. 12 ln 1 over cos pi over 3. These are not the same. Fuck. Oh wait, it's pi over 6. It's pi over 6, not pi over 3. Okay, now it's the same. Good. Jesus Christ. 6 ln sec. Oh. Pi over 6 plus 2. No, 1 over 2 integral. That is a horrific integral symbol. Minus 1 plus 2 cos theta over cos squared theta minus 1. Hang on, this doesn't work. Because the differential of this is negative 2 sine theta. This doesn't work. Fuck! Can we come back to this question later? I could come back to this question later. You've forgotten most of pure algebraic hellhole in advanced physics. Oh lord, yeah. Yeah, fair enough. I did take mechanics too, so it genuinely felt like so much stupid algebra. I think I did something wrong. I don't think this is the intended method. That's the issue. Like, I feel like when this is squared, that's just not really doing much to help me at all. Because we're going to be dealing with 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos squared theta over sine squared theta. Which we can also transform to 1 minus cos squared if you want. And this just doesn't really do anything for me. This just doesn't do anything for me. I mean, I could split it up into different ones. Like, I could take this to cosec squared minus 2 cos cosec plus cot squared. But, like, the integral of cos cosec. Hello! Is this rad or polar? This is polar. Oh, it's in radians. I forgot the transformation. Is it u equals r theta? What? REI theta, it's u equals r... Yeah, it's u equals r multiplied by e to the power of I theta. Yeah, this is real. Well, yeah, this is real. Dear Lord. This is the worst music to be playing right now. I'm sorry, block for block from Cobblecraft Showdown Season 2. Let me just put on a different song. This is like the worst song ever that does not fit the mood at all. Yeah, because, like, the question is whether I can somehow deal with, minus 2 cos theta over cos theta plus 1. How do I deal with that? How do you... Is there something I'm not seeing? Am I like a brick? Let me just look at my... Maybe we can try and go, like, back to double angle. Because maybe I missed something. Like... Okay, let's try going back to double angle and seeing what we can do with this. Because... The thing is, okay, so we're trying to integrate tan squared theta over 2. But using double angle, we have tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta over 2 over 1 minus tan squared theta over 2. So, I guess I could bring it to that side. Yeah, but then I'd have to deal with 2 tan theta over 2, all over tan theta. Sounds even worse to try and deal with. Is the issue there. I just don't think I know the method for this. I mean, I also then feel like we're meant to be using this identity that they gave us somehow. But the issue is when that's squared, that just turns into something just practically unusable. Hang on. 1 minus... I want to just make that one... Hang on! Oh my god, wait, hang on, I think I see it. 1 minus cos squared theta... Hang on, let me cook. Let me cook. Minus cos squared theta. No, wait, that's that 1 minus cos squared theta. Oh my god, it's lagging again. Over 1 minus cos squared theta. Plus minus 2 cos theta. Plus 2 cos squared theta. Over 1 minus cos squared. Okay, no. It doesn't work. What question is this? 5. Okay, I think we'll just have to skip it for now. We can't waste too much time on this, because... Yeah, okay. Oh, I can do this. 4m squared minus 4m... plus 37 equals 0. 4 minus 4, 37. Could I show you the question? Yeah, here, just, screenshot this. Basically, the question boils down to, 1 over 2 integral 3 plus tan theta over 2 all squared. Oh, this one? Yeah. Oh, hang on, that's question 7. Okay, m is going to be equal to 1 over 2 plus or minus 3i, because m is equal to 4 plus or minus root 16 minus 4, 437. Oh, that is way too much. All over 8. So y is equal to e to the power of 1 over 2x with p cos 3 theta. Oh no, cos 3x plus q sine 3x plus particular integral. Yeah, I really love these ones. Okay. So y is equal to lambda e to the power of 5x. Yeah. So dy dx is just 5 lambda. And d squared y dx squared is just 25. So that gets us to 100 lambda e to the 5x plus 20 lambda e to the 5x. Oh, it's minus. It's minus, isn't it? Yeah, it's minus. Plus 37 lambda e to the 5x is equal to 6. So this is just 117 lambda equals 6. Two over 39. Yeah, let me just put that all in and then just make sure I'm right. 425 minus 4, 5 plus 37. That is 117. Usually when I do this, I like to explicitly say I'm using for variables and such because I learned it's very important for marks and bookmarking. Yeah, that's fair enough. I feel like with lambda here, just imply that that's a placeholder. Like an unknown constant. Based on just like the working. So when everything's 0, all 0, okay. Zero is equal to e to the power of 0. P cos 0 plus q sine 0. That's turn out to be 0. Plus 2 over 39 e to the power of 0. So it's just gonna get to p equals negative 2 over 39. And then dy dx is equal to, dear lord, minus 1 over 2 e to the power of minus 1 over 2x p cos theta, p cos x plus q sine x. Plus e to the power of minus 1 over 2x. On the inside, this is going to be q cos x minus p sine x. So it's minus, what was it, plus 2 over 39, that's going to be multiplied by 5. That's going to go to 10. E to the 5x. So 0 equals minus 1 over 2p plus q plus 10 over 39. Knowing p is that's just 1 over 39. Q equals negative 11 over 39. That's just minus 11. Minus 10 over 39 plus 0.5 negative 2 over 39, yeah. Okay. So our final answer is going to be y equals e 1 over 2x negative 2 over 39 cos x minus 11 over 39 sin x plus 2039 e to the 5x. There we go. Okay. Question 7, Demoth time. Oh, this is gonna be really, really enjoyable to write using a mouse. Ah, good lord. If you don't mind, chat, I'm gonna use the C and S notation, because otherwise we're gonna be here forever! Oh my god, just let me do the freaking dot, bro. Oh lord. Equals C to the power of 5 plus 5i C to the power of 4s plus, no, minus 10 c cubed s squared minus 10i c squared s cubed plus 5 c s to the power of 4 plus I s to the power of 5. Okay. Taking imaginary. Sine 5 theta is equal to 5 cos to the power of 4 sine minus 10 cos squared sine cubed plus sine to the power of 5. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, that's all they... Oh, damn. Usually they want us to go further. Okay. Nice. And then they want to get us to get... Okay. Next part, II. Taking real. I still find it really funny that they decided, like, to give root -1 to I specifically. Like, yeah, no, sorry, give I to -root 1 specifically. Root -1! Like, yeah, this guy is John Imaginary. Because, like, obviously it comes from the fact that I is the first letter of Imaginary. So they just really decided this guy's gonna be John Imaginary. Like, honestly. Anyways, C5 is equal to C to the power of 5 minus 10 cos cubed sine squared plus 5 cos sine to the power of 4. Okay. So part B. Yeah, no, this is just 3. Tan 5 theta is equal to sine 5 theta over cos 5 theta, which is equal to 5 cos to the power of 4 sine theta minus 10 cos squared theta sine cubed theta plus sine to the power of 5 theta over cos 5 theta minus 10 cos cubed theta sine squared theta plus 5 cos theta sine to the power of 4. This is so much slower on mouse. Right. I think how we do this is that 5 tan theta. Yeah, we just multiply everything here by sec to the power of 5. Yeah, no, that's genuinely just how you do it. Therefore, tan 5 theta is equal to 5 tan. Oh my god, I love math. Minus 10 tan cubed theta. Plus tan 5 theta. 1 minus 10 tan squared theta plus 5 tan power of 4 theta. Finally! Yes! Okay. Ow, my hand hurts. Part C. Dear Lord. Okay. Why is there E15? Cause this just screams me, yo, just divide like, you know, divide by 2. But like, why is there a 15? That's meant to be 5. Oh, the squared is also supposed to be divided by 3. And, okay, hang on, there's something weird going on here. Let's just get this into form first. So we're moving that to that, okay. Oh, it's just gonna be 203, okay, I get it. 2 10 no, hang on. 2x to the power of 5 minus 10, no, it's 20 x cubed can't draw curves around here plus 10x. Is that right? 20x squared plus 10x, okay, is equal to 3 minus 30x squared plus 15 x to the power 4. Like, you see where I'm going with this, right? We're just gonna divide left side by right side, multiply by 2/3, replace x with tan theta, and solve tan 5 theta equals 2/3. I'm not gonna do this. I can't be asked to write out all of this. It's gonna take so long. It's gonna take so long to write out all of that. Oh, here we go. Organ transformations. Yeah, sorry. No, I'm sorry. Like, I'm tired. I genuinely hate writing with a mouse. I can't bring myself to do all that. Because that's so much rewriting the same old stuff. Boy. Yeah, the real axis and z-plane is not totally aligned with the equation. Okay. Real axis. So imaginary z equals 0. Okay. WZ plus 2W. Is equal to root 3z minus 2 root 3 minus iz plus 2I. Now we make z subject of the equation. Two 2I minus 2 root 3 minus 2W. Yeah, we're gonna take IM's imaginary of all of this soon. Okay. Z is equal to minus 2u minus 2 root 3 plus I 2 minus 2v all over u minus root 3 plus I which is gonna be just 1 minus 1 plus 1. That's just no, it's v plus 1. Oh, water multiplication. Oh. Minus 2u squared plus 2u root 3. Plus 2i uv. That's not good. Plus 2iu. plus 6. Minus 2. Chat, you're not gonna believe whose entire laptop just crashed. Oh my god, bro. It's so chopped. Genuinely, everything is so chopped. Goop. Also, we lost all our progress. That's fun. Yeah. That's very fun. You could gauge on this life. Sorry, I'm just sitting here contemplating my life right now. I'm doing math on stream. Oh, with a mouse, when I could be studying properly. Wow. Okay, let me pull up the VOD and, like, check our progress quickly. Okay, so we were at... Z is equal to minus 2u minus 2 root 3 plus I 2 minus 2v all over u minus root 3 plus I v plus 1 multiplied by u minus root 3 minus I v plus 1 Okay. Brilliant. Let's get back to multiplication. Oh boy. Minus 2u squared. Plus... How's it going? Was watching MCC? Oh, is MCC over? It's going great. My hands, my index finger is getting really tired from having to draw with a mouse. And my entire laptop crashed, and now I have to, like... I lost, like, tons of progress, but I'm just choosing to ignore it and continuing where I left off. Because I genuinely am losing it at this point. Plus 2IU. You want to know who one are you gonna watch later? Honestly, yeah, you can talk about MCC if you want. I don't plan on watching it. Minus 2U root 3. So just cancel that out. Plus 6. Wait. Oh, gee, hang on, is that ever gonna get cancelled out? That's gonna be a problem. Who signed Coyotes and who they beat in Dodgeball? 2U. Oh, that's gonna be a really big problem. 2IVU. Okay, no, it is gonna get cancelled. Okay, good. Plus plus 2i root 3. Plus 2. Minus I square. Okay, minus plus 2 IU. Minus 2i root 3. Which I can just cancel. Minus I squared. Minus 2i squared v, which is just plus 2v. Was rooting for Red Rabbits, and they were second, so there was a chance and they got rug pulled last game, and then Cyan went against Aqua. Oh, okay. APM, Methox, Shadoon, the Gill. Yeah, no. Yeah, I can see why. Minus 2i squared v. Minus 2i squared, which is just gonna be plus 2. This is stupid. Minus 2 IUV. Which then finally cancels this out for me. Minus 2 IV root 3. Which then cancels this. Minus 2 I squared V, so plus 2V. And then... oh, that's V squared, actually. Plus 2V squared. And then... minus 2 I squared V. So that's going to be... plus 2V. Somehow Phil's worst games were both of the Elytra games? What? Phil's a Minecraft bad at Elytra? A bunch of Lego chickens that acted as Elytras and just didn't know they were Elytras. Oh, yeah, rough. A bunch of Lego chickens that acted as... huh? And he fumbled Rocket Space. Yeah, no, fair enough. Okay, and then on the bottom end, it's just u squared minus 2u root 3 plus 3 minus I squared, so that's just plus 2v plus 1. Okay! So, just to cap that off, that's going to be minus 2u squared plus 2v squared. Do we have any powers of plus 4v? Plus 6 plus I. And it's going to be 2u. Oh, 4u. 4u Is it just for you? That doesn't seem right. Oh my god, what? Oh, wait, hang on, that doesn't cancel out. Plus 4i v root 3. Okay. U minus root 3 squared. V plus 1 squared. Let a collab with Lego where you ride Lego chickens and when you're falling it has a mechanism like yeah. Didn't know who to watch, so I rooted for Tubble because why not? Apparently he has 37 losses. Yeah. Afu was in my DMs telling me about the clip where his chair broke. It was really funny. To be fair, I think it's just like Tubble's definitely won MCC before. I know that for a fact. So I think it's just like, when you play that many MCCs, yeah, obviously you're gonna have that many losses. Wait, has Tubbo genuinely never... Hang on. Tubbo, MCC, wait, surely he's won one. He's gotta have won one. Yeah, he has, MCC 18. Oh, 38 in a row. Yikes. Oh, yeah, no, that is rough. That is really rough. Yeah. Oh, hang on. That was not meant to be there. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. What was the thing I need to get again? Yeah, okay, we were basically there. I can't be asked. On Rio axis. Z is equal to 0. So negative 4u is equal to 4v root 3. So v is equal to negative 1 over root 3u. Finally! Can you send clips? You need to see the chair break. Hang on, did Afu send it to me already? I don't think you can send clips and... Wait, try it? Because you do have VIP. I don't know whether it'll work. Whether the Nightbot will let you. Oh, it does. Alright, let's see this.
Let's go!
To be fair, I can see why, like, when I first heard that the chair broke, I was like, damn, what a flimsy chair. But no, oh my god, what? Okay, to be fair, I think that's a reasonable chair break, but... Oh my god, that's still funny. Oh, lord, okay, mods equals 2. That's easy. Oh, lord. Okay. Yeah, so in part B, if we just return to this, z is equal to... I forgot what z is. It's 2i minus 2 root 3. Minus 2w over, W minus root 3 plus I. Like, I looked away, saw it broken, I saw the same thing. Yeah, no, that's a really good clip. So let's just mod both sides now. So that's gonna take us to 2 mod W minus root 3 plus I is equal to minus 2W minus 2 root 3 plus 2I. And let's prepare to square both sides. Did you see the new update, Squeaky Pete? Yeah, with the dappled grove, dappled forest. I think it looks cool, but I'm just more excited about wall slab stairs. That's just yeah, I'm just more excited about that because that's gonna be nice for building. But I don't even know when like the next opportunity I have is gonna be to. When the next opportunity I will have to play the new latest version anyway, so. It's a bit in the future, but yeah, it does look nice. U minus root 3 squared plus V plus 1 squared is equal to minus 2U minus 2 root 3 squared plus minus 2V plus 2 squared. Oh my god. Hi Afu. I watched FP2. It was kind of stupid to get to the other side. I thought it wasn't well explained at all. Oh yeah. Red missed out on finale, didn't they? That's really unfortunate if that is the case. I mean, to be fair, Afu, aren't there people who still haven't won MCC? Minus 2 root 3, so that's gonna be minus 8 root 3 U. Plus 3, plus 12. Plus 4 V squared. Hang on, this isn't gonna give us a circle. This is bad. This is really bad. Circle and Z planes. Oh, it's mapped onto a line. Okay, thank God. Plus 8V plus 4. After I'm not gonna count that first because it was only because stream crashed. So I don't think it should count. So I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna count it. It's long. Not many, and plus those people haven't been playing for long. I mean, I feel like long with extra O's is only like when you want to put the emphasis on it. Yeah, fair enough, I guess. I feel I just haven't watched MCC in so long. 4U squared minus 4, 8. Root 3 U 2 times 2 root 3 times 2. Plus 12, I think? Is that plus 12? I have brick. Yeah, it is. Plus 4V squared. Minus... Is that minus 8V? Yeah, I think it is. plus 4. Okay, let's do some cancelling. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. 16v is equal to 16 root 3u. So just cancel that out, and v equals root 3u. There we go. Okay. Determine the image of R under T. I mean, that's actually relatively easy in my opinion, because it's straight up just gonna look like that. Imagine, let that be 0. Oh wait, no. This is v equals minus 1. Okay. Yeah, it's just gonna look like that. So I literally just need to find these angles. I'm gonna be honest, I've been I'm not gonna bother. I'm tired, and I just want to get to these solutions. Okay. As opposed to, what the fuck? MCC 18 was October 21? God damn. Ranbu hasn't won despite he plays every MCC just gone trust. To be fair, Ranbu just has not played MCC in a while too, I think. Oh yeah, Ranbu has won. Okay, let me pull up the mark scene. PMT. Right. Back to question 1. Oh lord. Yes. Y cos cube dex equals sin x plus c. Yep. Queen. C equals 1 over root 2. Yeah, C equals root 2 over 2. Done. Next. -4 plus or minus root 17. Perfect. This is correct. Oh damn, not right on the other one. Okay, fair enough. To be fair, I didn't bother to check, so that's my bad. I think I'm just a bit lazier than usual because I have to write with a mouse. That's genuinely just it. On non-MCC talk though, I'm applying to your local humane center as a volunteer tomorrow. Oh, that's nice. That's actually really cool. When looking at it, looks like runes in a sci-fi movie. Thank you, I get that a lot. I've been told before that my math working looks like a genuine madman. Oh shoot, did I get d squared y dx wrong? So I got 3 over 4. Ooh, yikes. I did get that wrong. How did I get that wrong? 1 over 4... Huh? D squared y, 1 over 2. 6xy minus y, divide out... Hang on. 6xy minus y divided by x. Oh, it's because I didn't put the stupid freaking one. I didn't put 1 over 2. Okay, that's just... Okay, to be fair... That's just rough. I think I'm just not on my game today. Because I'm doing this with a fuck-ass mouse. Why did I decide to do this? Where's the question? Oh, here it is. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna lose so many marks on that. I'm not gonna bother to check. 3 plus 7. Yeah, that's just right. Nice, and I know that's right. Oh god, this one. You know what? I actually want to come back to this later myself. Let me just make sure I got part 1 right. Yeah, it is 2 pi over 3. Okay, part B. Oh my god, I'm a stupid chud. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. Okay, so we were meant to integrate tan squared theta over 2. And that just somehow made me completely forget about tan squared theta equals sec squared theta plus 1. I'm actually so stupid. Oh my god, I'm a brick. Yeah, sorry, sec squared theta minus 1. I'm genuinely such a brick, bro. How did I manage to forget about that? That's like a basic friggin' inequality. Oh, I'm such a brick. I'm such a brick. Yeah, well, no, Frey, the difference between us is that you haven't studied this, you know, and I have. So, it's kind of like, Like, it's genuinely insane how, like, off-stream, I can, like, do these in, like, under time required and lose marks only to arithmetic, and then on-stream I just completely brick out. That's... Oh my god, bro. I blame being on a mouse. It's like blaming lag, you know? It's because of the mouse, guys. It's because of the mouse. Anyways, oh yeah, my question 7 got wiped. Question 6 got wiped by my entire laptop turning off. Oh, I didn't get it right. Hang on. Yeah, so that is negative 2 over 39. So dy dx equals 10 over 39 plus 1 over... Wait a second. Did I write negative 1 over 2 by accident? You know what? I don't even remember. It's fine. You haven't chat and master stuff. Yeah, no, but still, it's kind of annoying stuff like I normally am able to do. But whatever, it's fine. Yeah, I did get that right. Yeah, tan 5 theta equals 3 over 2. Equals 1. And to multiply that by... Huh. You're not sure. I had the right idea on that. And then last question. Part C is just... I feel like part C is... How is that worth 5, you know? That's like genuinely weird to me. Yeah, no, because that... Yeah, that just does look really easy. Z equals 0 gives W equals 1, pi over 6 because pi over 6. What in the... You ever do volunteer work? I genuinely don't remember. I think I've done like charity trips as like with my school before, but like never like I've never volunteered, I think. Yeah, hi Char. Welcome to high school maths. Very normal. This is high school maths, Char. Yeah, v equals root 3u is correct. That's good. And then this is just as required, so I know that's correct. Let me just actually wait. That's interesting because they are using root 3 and 5 pi over 6 as the bounds for arc W. So I need to intersect between, because I know that one of my lines is, v equals root 3u. And I know that one of my other lines is v equals minus 1 over root 3u, which is approximately this. Oh, it's because imaginary z greater than 0, so this region doesn't matter anyways, so we need to bind for that region. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm really excited I want to do more with my life. Yeah, no, that's fair enough. I think, like, God, oh god. So, wow, I studied psychology for 2 years, and as studied by Seligman in the study by Seligman and his theory on positive psychology, one of the good ways to live a good life is to be having a meaningful life. Sorry about that. Gonna volunteer for 10%. Yeah, no, I'm really happy for you. Like, genuinely, like, I think that sounds like a really good thing. I think you're doing a really good thing. By volunteering for humane services, and I don't know what that means exactly, but I think I can infer. Yeah, I think it's a good thing, and I'm happy for you that you actually enjoy it. Yeah, okay, I see. I'm not sure whether I would have caught that, honestly. I need to make a note of that for tomorrow. Yeah, okay. I can do another past paper tomorrow then. I haven't done June 24 yet, because I think I need some more proper practice. Just to consolidate everything. But yeah. Oh, that's our last math stream, wow. It helps animals who don't have homes and stuff. Aw, yeah, I see it, that's nice. That's actually really nice. Teen Help Center, yeah. I'm glad you're doing that, Faye. God, now it makes me feel like I'm not I'm just not doing shit. All I do is sit behind a chair and live stream. Oh. Damn. Well, chat, that's gonna be it, I think, because honestly, I think after this, I just need to go back and, like, get good sleep. As long as you're having a good life, I'd be sad about it? Yeah, no, fair enough. I think that's a really good mindset to have. That's a really good mindset. Yeah, I think I need good sleep before my exam, so I'm just gonna head off now. I hope you all enjoyed the stream, chat. That was pretty fun. Even if drunk... I swear, if we ever do like, a season 2 of Lunar Lotto math streams, I'm gonna figure out how to, like, stream my freaking iPad. So I can, like transfer my iPad screen capture to my laptop, because I refuse to be drawing this by mouse ever again. Oh my god, this sucks. Yeah. Alright, chat. Bye-bye. Bye, chat.